All right, I want to show you how to take some bisque forms that you probably already have, things like cups, vases, bowls. You can use those as forms because the ceramic bisque, earthenware bisque, and even stoneware bisque prior to firing to vitrification will absorb moisture, so you can use those as forms with clay. So I've used my wooden slats here. I've rolled out a slab of clay so I get uniform thickness using those slats. I've kind of cut it in a circle shape, a little bit larger than my bowl. I'm gonna go now and I'm gonna add texture, and you'll find tons of different things you can use for texture. This happens to be a small roller from MKM Pottery Tools, and I'm gonna slowly work that across the piece to add that cool texture of that roller. You'll find different fabrics and lace and all different types of things that you can use for creating texture. The nice thing about working on this craft foam is I can reach underneath it and kind of bend it to release that clay. If I want to put it inside of a bowl or a form, I can just take and kind of gently press it down in. I can let the edges kind of ruffle up if I want to create that type of a look. Sometimes using a soft sponge if you have long fingernails to press the clay down in so that you don't damage the design. Or I can take this and I can press it out against the bowl to not have such a ruffly edge. What you want to be careful of with bisque shapes is that you don't bring the clay around the edge like this, because as the clay dries, it's going to shrink, and as it shrinks, you can get cracking if it's going over the edge and it can't shrink inside of there. So always try to leave it so that it can't catch anywhere as it dries on that bowl. Now, if you want to turn this into a vase, you can take that same slab of clay, I'm just going to lift it out of here, and things like I said, cups or vases, you can turn them upside down as long as they taper out a little bit and not taper in. I can take that slab of clay and I can form that around that piece and let that dry and firm up, and after that has firmed up, I can take and flip that over and remove that, and I've got a vase shape. These clay shapes like this are great to have your staff doing in the studio when it might be slow, and it shows customers how to work with clay, and they can also create pieces that you can turn into bisque and you can fire and have available for customers that's made in the USA bisque.